In this project, the alarm integrated circuit controls other components, which in this case are the motor, the LEDs, the lamp, and the voltage meter. I'm going to leave the fan off the motor to start, and then when I turn on the slide switch, all these components come on. You can see how the LEDs, particularly the red one, pulsate quickly. The lamp also pulses, but you can barely notice it. The voltage meter deflects to around 9. Now for the second part of this project, I'm going to place the fan on the motor and see what difference it makes. Really no difference except you hear the sound better. But once again, the sound from the alarm IC is controlling the other components. Now for alarm power 2, I remove the motor altogether, and the LEDs flash once. The circuit is supposed to pulse around 1 hertz, which means once per second. But for some reason it doesn't do that. The voltage meter is much lower though. Now, this project is supposed to produce sounds that you might hear in a forest at night. I guess the sound might remind you somewhat of, let's say, crickets, bugs, etc., that you can hear in the woods when it's dark out.